name is Hannah, this is Sonia, and we're in Rome! Of all the places this bird could choose to sit, because it's right at the top of her head. Focus, focus. Anyway, you can vaguely see a bloody bird there. Oh, there it is. There's the bird. Sonia, look, Chubby Fountain. So we were just walking down this street here, and I was saying to Sonia back there, I was like, it looks familiar. I feel like I've been here before. I have been to Rome before, but I had no idea. My hotel that I stayed at when I was 12, when I came with the school, is the one over there. Hotel Noto. Crazy. And I was literally just telling Sonia how it looks so familiar. There it is! It's just right there. Hostels around here somewhere. No. What's the hostel called?
Legends Hostel.
Huh?
Legends Hostel.
Oh gosh, look at that spot as well. Just ignore the massive extra face on my face. Woo! That's a big one. Wait, sorry, what did you say it's called?
Legends Hostel.
Legends Hostel. Okay, so we've just found, it took a while, but it's this one behind me, there, and I couldn't see the sign, but we finally found it, and Sonia's actually already gone in, so... Where are you? Oh, I had no idea where you were. Hi! Okay, so we were at the right place to get the key and stuff, but we were around the corner on the building to the right, and now we're trying to find our room. It doesn't smell as nice in here as it did in the other place, not gonna lie. Woo. This means the guests are required to be out of the rooms from... Oh, because we're not meant to be here yet. I kind of just wanted to leave my bag here, I didn't, you know. Is this our room? 104? Maybe he wasn't meant to give it to us. This is the hostel. No one else is here. Oh yeah, there is. Should we choose these?
Yeah. Can I go on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's see the view.
Oh.
Cute.
You know we're going or someone on
Yeah, look, there's someone there and there's people here. There's no what?
There's no barrier.
I won't fall out. I'm not 2.
I see eyeball sometimes.
Yeah, so do I. I'll be fine. You, on the other hand, you've got a nice little... Looks like a coffin.
Yeah.
These lockers. Bathroom. Oh, fan. Shower. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot we were doing this.
What?
Hostel.
Are you expecting one?
I was expecting hotel because of Amsterdam, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I forgot. Not that I mind, I'm just like, I forgot. This is actually quite cute. I've been to worse. So we've just spent probably about 10 minutes trying to get an Instagram picture with my coat, my bottle, and the yellow chair.
I feel like that was a success.
You can see now. I'll post them.
Oh, wait, now. Did it happen?
I don't know. It depends if I can do it or not, honestly. And now we're gonna go on a walking tour. I booked a free walking tour.
We do it everywhere. We'll find a walking tour any place.
Yeah, it's free.
Free.
But yeah, we're going to go off and do that now. It's about a 20-minute walk from the hostel. And someone came and claimed this bed, the top bed. Yeah, he literally just said, oh, this one's taken, okay, and didn't move anything. I'm like, well, it's alright telling me, I've already chose my bed and moved stuff. There we go.
You get stairs to yours.
Nice and lived in. Oh.
Right.
Do you want to play a game? What? It's called, is it chocolate or is it soap? I actually don't want to touch it either, so you're going to have to figure that out by yourself, because It's not mine.
I'm gonna say soap.
I reckon it's probably soap. Go for it.
It's a rock.
A rock? No, that's soap. Niceness. No, I think that's poop. That's soap. That's soap. Let's go. Let's go on this walking tour. Mug your water. I'll get it.
Oh, thanks. I accidentally shook my hand quite a lot on that, sorry.
Did you hear me say let's go?
I don't know.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go on the walking tour. Oh. Did you hear that?
What was that?
Sonia, I think I got it this time. Is this the fountain? Is this the Trevi fountain? Is that the one? Well, we made it to the tour. We were like 5 minutes late.
10 minutes late.
Okay, 10 minutes late. I'm pretty sure we missed the first bit,
Yeah.
but we saw him a little bit further down there, and I'm walking back this way. So we actually ditched the tour. It wasn't for us. It wasn't that great.
Yeah, it was a lot. Well, he did walking and walking and walking with no talking, and then he got to Trevi Fountain, actual Trevi Fountain. I didn't see it, but Hannah knew it was coming, and we're just not ready.
Yeah, we're going to do that tomorrow. But funny story. Well, it's not really funny. I was here when I was 12, and I took a picture on the steps just down there, like below where this man is here, down there. And so we've just recreated that picture. I say recreated, I sat on the step that I thought it was. I don't know if that was the step at all, or if I was even close, because I haven't got the picture to look at.
Yeah.
But I'll put them side by side now if I can.
Did it happen? Hope it did. She's great.
And now we're going to walk up there.
Are we?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna
Walk up there. Why are you sorry, Sonia?
because there's someone in the background of all of the ones that I like, and then all the ones that I really, really don't like. In fact, no, there's someone in the background like all of them. So that
I mean, there's going to be someone in the background of all of
no,
them.
but I mean like not just in the background. I mean like in the background.
Sonia's freaking out because of an Instagram, and I've taken so many. I want to go up there now, Sonia. I want to see what's up there. Did I show the fountain? The Trevi fountain. Sorry, this is the Trevi fountain, right? This one?
Do that one already, Hannah. See, like now would be a really good time.
Well, give me the phone, I'll do it. I'll do it right now.
No, like there's...
Quick! Quick! Yeah. I think I got it. There's someone walking all the time. I tried. I really did.
Is there any?
Yeah, there is. Ready.
Rolling up. What actually is this one?
What? The steps?
No, it's not the top of this.
What?
What is this called?
Yeah, I don't know. Look at that view. Look at that view. Sonia. Sonia. Is this the Trevi fountain? You can't even see it. There's a big beam of light behind. That's the one, Sonia.
Really?
Yes, yes. Go and find your Paolo. Quick, get a coin.
I feel like it's a little underwhelming.
It's a bit small. Do you feel like Hilary Duff yet? Are you not going to throw it in? If you don't throw a coin in, then you're never coming back. It's the famous saying.
I'd probably do have a coin.
Don't waste a coin. It's not a Trevi fountain. Don't worry. I'll take you there though. Soon. Your time will come. I was gonna try and say something about Picasso and the cat, but I'm really not that Picasso. But I'm not funny. And there's a cat. And another cat. See, if I was funny and witty and clever, should we go through that door?
No.
Why?
Don't like it.
Sonia, come on. I mean, that's not closed. That looks pretty open to me. Oh, there's someone walking out now. It's fine. You're allowed. Sonia, it says. Yeah, it says we're allowed in.
No, it doesn't, Hannah. I'm actually not going in there.
Why? Come on.
Alright, I'll stay out here.
Oh wait, no. Yeah, it says staff entry only, and there's a thing there. Yeah, you're right. Turns out you're not allowed in. Look, there's another cat.
Same cat, Hannah.
It's not the same cat. The other cat was down there having a photo shoot with some man. I saw it. Oh, I think this is a good time now. We're on our own. To talk about that man who put a rose on my freaking camera and then tried to... So I was trying to do that really nice artsy montage of us walking up the steps, well, me and maybe a bit of Sonia. This man goes and puts some roses on top of my camera, like on top of my hand, on top of my camera, you know? So I keep on walking, do the montage. And then he's like following behind me. And while I'm walking, all I can hear is Sonia saying, oh, I don't want it, my hands are full, no, thank you. And I'm like, oh, great, he's going to try and, you know, get me to pay for these roses. So he came up and I feel like I was a little bit sharp, maybe.
No.
But I was like, I don't want the roses. Because it's not like the first time someone's approached us today. And I really didn't want the blinking roses. Well, lighting's gone real bad. And then literally, 5 minutes later, we were at the top of the steps, watching the view, and another man came and tried to shove some roses in our hands.
Yeah, he tried to put it in the gap of yours.
Yeah, like in between here. So, then I was like...
I will just let them around.
Sonia, don't get run over. Watch out, there's a bike there. Sonia, the Trevi Fountain. That's it. That's the one. That's it. Look at it. Look how big it is. Look at the water that flows into the water. Oh, what actually is that? This just in case something happens. Oh, see, if I didn't vlog that, we wouldn't have known that balls just clattered together and made sweet music. I don't know if will the internet hostel be summer?
The internet hostel?
Yes. I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired. Hi, so we're back at the hostel. That 12-minute walk from the cafe took us probably about 45 minutes. It's now 7:06. We had about 2 hours sleep yesterday, so I'm so tired, and Sonia is as well, so we're going to go to sleep. Well, not straight away, but we're going to rest a bit, go to sleep, so that we're bright and fresh in the morning, ready for more exploring. Oh my god, that rhymed! Sonia, did you hear that? She didn't hear it, she can't even hear me say her name. So I don't know yet if this is going to be a day 1, day 2, 3 thing, or if I'm gonna just splurge it into one. It depends how much footage I have, really. But yeah, apart from that, I will see you guys tomorrow here. Shower, sleep, and see you in the morning. Bye.